Ayaw sa bebe. Ay, no.
Ano?
Ayaw ba? Nalabot siya
Ba?
Nalabot-labot si Yori God Di naman
Mo.
Thank you so much for watching guys. Ouch. You play Roblox, right? No. I'm not playing Roblox. Cherry Junior. No, I'm not playing Roblox. But our neighbor, the kids here they're playing Roblox, yeah. Look at that, my kids. Ate, what are you doing, Ate? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how to play Roblox. Yeah. I just know how to scroll up and down. Yeah. Ouch. Ella Banana, thank you. Thank you so much again. You're from Davao. Nakabalik niya ba si Tatay D? Wala pa. Oh, what's this? What is this? Huh?
I know.
What is this, Banoy?
No.
What? I'm asking what is this?
Bat.
But this is your bat.
It's my bat.
Danny. Thank you so much.
Ba. Ba.
Samuka sa mga bibi. Samuka ay. Oh no. Ate, ayun nak matuok ang baby.
Baby.
Ang baby, matuok. Kaluoy atong baby. Samuka ay, thank you so much. Okay ba? Si hi sa ba, pakita mo sa akong audience. Ako yung audience 1. Say hi sa ba. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Welcome to my live. Please like and subscribe. Why?
Sorry.
Say hi sabi hi.
Baba.
Say hi sa akong audience ba. Pag hi sa mo ba. Thank you so much for watching. Hello. Thank you so much for watching. How are you guys? Ako mga kids. Tara ay. Hello. Ako mga kids. Unaok ng mga baby. Hi, Annabelle. Rian Sebastian. Hello. Thank you so much, Rian. Rian Sebastian, you're familiar. You're watching from my live before. Thank you so much for coming back here. Oo, kita syempre. Saan? Nakalimutan ko kung taga saan ka. Ay, you're from Davao? You're from Davao? Or your papa is working in Davao? Yun ba yun? Ay, bibi na! Oh, no!
This.
Oh, okay. Not okay.